Now, the defense witness wants to call a few witnesses to the platform. Would we have time to do it? The defense witness wants to call a witness now. His witnesses, as a prosecuting attorney, called his witness. The defense witness shall call first the prophet Noah. Let him witness. Noah, what do you have to say now this afternoon about it? He said, I lived in a scientific age, far beyond the scientifics of this age. It had never rained upon the earth. God watered the earth by the vegetation and so forth by springs which is beneath the earth. But one day, God came to me and told me that it was going to rain water out of the skies. I gave my message, and He told me to build an ark. That I did. And said it was going to rain water out of the skies. And Mr. Unbeliever, Mr. Skeptic, and all them fellows sitting there, they scoffed at me and laughed at me for believing for such a miracle as that, when scientifically proved there is no water up there. They could shoot the moon, they could shoot the stars, they could do things of that type. They built things in it we can't build today. So they proved scientifically there wasn't any rain up there. But Noah said, God told me it was going to rain, and I believe if God said so, He's able to put water up there. So I pounded away. Mr. Unbelief scoffed at me. Mr. Skeptic doubted me. Mr. Impatience, I pounded away till I built the ark. Every day they come by and said, well, I guess it's going to rain today. See, same way. I thought you was well. I thought you was going to get well. Where's the rain at? You know, after all, Prophet Noah, as you're supposed to be one, you said that, now remember, that's people that's pretending they are believers. You know, Mr. Unbelief and Mr. Skeptic, those are, they claim they're believers. Well, the Prophet Noah, we always knowed you was a false prophet, because you got foolish ideas that don't cope with science. They don't cope with the modern trend. See, you don't cope with our pastors. There's something wrong. We know that you're not really a prophet, but you said it was going to rain. That was a month ago. No rain yet. 2 years passed. Hey, prophet, I thought you said that God said so. He did say so. Well, 2 years has passed. 5 years, 20 years, 50 years. The ark's completed. Noah's sitting in the door. Here comes Mr. Scoffer, Mr. Unbeliever, Mr. Skeptic, Mr. Impatient. Well, now, where is the rain? God said it was going to rain. He didn't say when. He said it was going to rain. He didn't say when. He just said it's going to rain. Get an ark. You'll be safe in it. It's going to rain. He didn't say when it was going to rain. He said it's going to rain. And I built the ark. Well, it looks to me like if you built the ark and you've done your part, God will do His part. He will. Amen. But He didn't say when He would do it. He just said, it's going to do it. It's going to rain. So, we find out, He said then, years passed to 119 years, and just like in about 7 days in being 120 years, Mr. Unbelief, Mr. Scoffer, all these others, Mr. Skeptic rather, and Mr. Impatient, they all made fun of me and everything, and said I was crazy to believe such a rational promise as that. That if God did promise me that, He told something it wasn't true and He wasn't able to back up what He said. But I believe God had held steady. Amen. There you are. I believe Him. I held steady. And you know, one day, they come up to laugh at me and the door was shut. They said, well, the old fanatic went out there and shut the door, I suppose. But I heard them. But I told them, God shut the door. No doubt that the rain will fall today. That'll be it. The first day passed by, there was no rain. Then they really scoffed at me, telling God shut the door. I don't believe such stuff as that. Noah shut the door himself, him and his sons. See? Scoffer, unbeliever, skeptic. All right, it went on for a while. But on May the 17th, one morning, it rained. And it absolutely destroyed all those people that was put to a test against the Word of God, and saved those who believed God and made preparations for Him. Noah said, let me test it. Noah stepped down. Let's call another witness.